I basically learned how important are marketing strategies and how important is like to clarify what problem you want to solve, how are you going to solve it, and if it is like viable or if it is possible making that action. How did I learn it? The marketing strategies, I learned it by Googling it, but also the teacher's explanation about Coca-Cola and like making connections between what I already know and what the internet says, like make me notice which marketing strategy will be like the best for my situation. Um, I learned that it's important to know, like for example, what are you gonna do because this happened to me. I didn't knew like exactly what I was going to do, so I need to repeat my work twice, and I don't like really understood how important was to solve a problematic and to know how to solve the problematic. All of these could be really useful for my future like business plans because every single time, like for example, when I am starting a career or when I want to like make a business of my own, I will need to know what to do and which steps I need to follow to accomplish all my objectives and some strategies to make that product to be like really successful. By doing all of these like activities and reflections and all those kind of things, I need to really think about lots of things. I need to like make a lot of questions to myself about my product. For example, I needed to investigate about the tendencies or what the planet needs right now. I need to check up the news and check up what things we're missing to improve our lifestyle. So from those questions I made to myself, I could learn a lot of things about my product, the market, and what people need. Okay, some skills that I developed during this whole process that I need to like improve and make better for having a nice and good product were social skills that are basically on communication because I needed to investigate what my consumers want, how do they want it, if they really need it. Also, I needed to communicate really good to make my report and to really make up all my ideas and get them together to make a good product. I also use my reflection skills because I need to think a lot about why, what problems our community has and also what our planet needs. That's why I ended up with making a shampoo bar instead of using a lot of plastic bottles. What is my product? My product or my company, basically what it does is to create shampoo bars to replace all the plastic bottles that we use daily to stop the plastic emission and the water pollution. Who will be like helped by my actions? Well, in general, everybody will be like helped by all of these actions because we will be like contributing to a nice and healthy world. But also, I will give free shampoo bars to a lot of rural communities that doesn't have like a good hygiene. So that will improve their health, how they live, and how does they feel with themselves. And also will satisfy one of the basic needs that is to be clean and hygienic. And also it will contribute to the ONU development goals. First of all, I will collect PET and make a tattoo to make the people notice how many plastic we are consuming. After that, I will introduce my product and make them think about how good will it be for themselves and for the earth. And then I will give my product to the most needed communities. For example, the different orphans that doesn't have like a really good hygiene. The IMSS, well, there are some people waiting outside the IMSS. They obviously doesn't have like the enough healthcare that they will need, so it will be good for them to use shampoo and to also contribute to the environmental awareness. Right now, I think that my project is like in a yellow stage because I have like a clear idea of what I want to do, but I still need to clarify some points about the money that I will need to solve my problems and to like make my idea come true. In 3 months, I expect to already have all the pet that I will need to make the tattoo and to get my income. And also, I expect to have already done like 10 or 15 bars. and to plan where to deliver. The relationship between these two subjects is that right now in both we are watching the different social issues and world issues that we are suffering, and we are trying or planning to solve them by little actions in our communities, with previous investigation and also with different strategies to improve our situation. And in both classes, I am learning that not everything I do is a waste of time, because sometimes we can do something about our situation and we could be part of the change.